Hello everybody, I said I wasn't going to do a video today, so I'm just going to do something simple. The washing machine man's bin, it was the motor and the weight blocks that was loose, that's what it was. So he's fixed that, done. So obviously I ain't been anywhere to get anything really to cook. So, I'm going to do something nice and simple, not diet food. So, if you think you're going to be diet or anything like that, all good calories, no. But it's going to be delicious. Let me show you. Oh yes. Oh yes. Bacon. That's having a bacon. Got some dry cured smoked streaky bacon. That's having bacon and sausage on a bap, bun, cob, whatever you want to call it. But I'm having bacon, sausage, egg and black pudding on a double decker. Fried bread. Oh yes. And it's going to be done, shall we say, the old fashioned way nowadays. On the hob, proper fry up. Yes. Right, I'm going to get my sausages in. First, I'm going to get all 8 in, because I'm having a double decker, so I'm going to be greedy today. We're going to cook them till they're nearly done, then we're going to get the bacon in next to it. Yummy, yummy. Oh yes. Sometimes you've got to have a bit of that grease, ain't you, and that fat. You got to, ain't you? I'm hungry today and all. Now I'm going to get some bacon in. They're looking nice now, they're doing. Putting that bacon in first. I'll do mine after because I'm having egg. Yummy. Good old fry up on fried bread. Oh yes. Don't take long this bacon. Couple of minutes, 5 minutes, that's all. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'll get that on now, that fat there. And the other pants, I want to put my black pudding in there and me fried bread before I do my egg. Right, let's check the bacon. Oh yes. Oh yes. Couple of minutes and that will be done. Took the sausages out. Nats is done then. I've done Nats. There you go, now it's on to mine. Now, come get your food. Get my bacon in and my fried bread. Not cleaning the pan, don't want to do that. And a couple of them. They don't take long, do they? Wash my ends. Fried bread, I'm having 3 of them because I'm having a doorstep. Give them a few minutes. Right, let's check me black pud. Love black pud, oh yes. Turn them over, have my bacon getting on. Have a look. Oh yes. Oh yes. And now is me fried bread getting on. Oh yes. Won't get the third one in there till after. Looking nice now. Okay. I'm going to get my fried bread out first and start building on top. Just got to wait for my eggs. Get me all the fried bread in. Lovely. Oh yeah, love fried bread, me. There's my bacon. Bit overdone for my liking, but we'll drain that for a second. With the sausages. So it's only a quick one, guys, because I couldn't really do anything, so I'd show you what I'm having. I was just thinking I might even put my egg at the side of that fried bread, you know, which I'm going to see if I get it minus the shells. All without breaking. Oh, look at this shell. No, shell in it, as normal. Get another one. That shell broke, isn't it? Yeah. Pick that shell out with the shell. If I can grab it before it cooks. There we go. Right, I'm just building it, guys, now. Get me bacon and black pud. Eggs are nearly done. I only put 3 bacon on, didn't I? I put 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top. Yeah, that's what I'll do. chop my black pudding in half. Oh yes, oh yes. I'll get my other fried bread out, that should be done, and my eggs are done. Egg on. Ugh. Eggs are hot. Put this fried bread on so that one looks better. Sausage again. You okay, Bob? Is that nice?
Yes, sir.
Enjoy it. Did you enjoy it? Cut some, break all my sausages now, look. Yeah. Extra sausage on the top, because I've only got one bacon, because I didn't think. Black pud. Told you it's not diet food. And I want a bit of brown sauce. Oh yes. Oh yes. Why not? Give it a squash and see. Delicious. Let's give you a closer look. There you go. Simple and delicious. And messy as well. I'm going to have to get my sharp knife, in on to cut it open. Because I'm not going to get all that in my gob in one go. I know that much. Get it apart. Nope. Thought that would happen. Let me rebuild it. Been a bit greedy, and I should just have two normal ones, you know, two fried bread ones, but I fancy a doorstep. Sometimes you just can't beat it, can you? You just can't sometimes. All that grease. So they're good in the air fryer, ain't they? But you just can't. You can't beat it, can you? You just can't beat it. And I know that black pudding, people don't like it, people do, and I love it, I do. I think it proper brings out all the flavours when you have black pudding on it. Getting grease everywhere, I know that. But there you go, it's something simple, guys. Got to wait for the washing bloke to come out. So I couldn't really do a lot. So, I say, I'm the old food guy. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. I'm giving this a 100 out of 10. I love it. That's hers and gone. I don't know what she'd give hers. She'd probably get a 10 out of 10 and all. See you later. Bye-bye.